Hey guys, just want to show you this new tool which I've made. It's called a Trader's Compounding Console, and I've been testing it now for a few days using gold and on using the moving average color change indicator, which you can download as part of a Patreon member. This is not yet ready, still a few more bugs to iron out, but I have been testing it, and you can see today's results. This is a demo account, by the way. Once we're ready, we'll go live, but this is a demo account. So today, fantastic results. There's a $2,000 here. Yes, there's some losses, but lots of wins as well. And all I'm doing is, oops, it's a bit funny. Let's go back to the beginning. All I'm doing is waiting for the color change. When it goes to green, we click on buy here, and it will buy, and I close out once it's made $1,000. But you can set these. There's loads of settings in here. You see it's got some information. You got manual buy, sell buttons. So each time you do a buy, it will start triggering the buy routine. And what it'll do is it will buy at every new candle that's formed. You'll buy the same again until you take profit, or you pause it, close it, do whatever you want. And there's some extra filters in here. Which you can see, so I've set it so it will close when it reaches $1,000 and or hit a $500 stop loss. There's also a time filter, so you can get to only trade within certain times, certain days. Then there's also a day open filter, so if the price is above the daily open, it will trigger. And there's an MA filter as well, so if it's above or below an MA, you can get to buy or sell. An RSA filter. And I'll show you some of the settings. So these were the settings I kept. Yeah, so that's settings, and there'll be a manual once it's ready. You can have a look. You see the gold is doing really well. Got another a few dollars here. So what I wanted to show you is basically it started again, and every time you get a new candle, it will open 3 trades. And you can set this to whatever you want, up to a maximum of 100 trades. Each lot size is 0.1 lot. That's why 0.1. You see there's another candle form. It's open another 3 trades, and it will just keep compounding. This one looks like it could reach the top here. So you would have to also manually set it, tell it where to stop. Unless it reaches the $1,000, which I put in here, or if it hits the stop. And what I can also do is once it hits a stop or a profit, I can tell it to pause, so it'll just stop trading. So I'm going to do that actually. So if it does hit a loss, it will stop trading. But otherwise, it'll keep compounding, and you can see from it's gone down now. But let's just wait. That's the markets, they go up and down. But if I show you what we did over the last 3 days, okay, that didn't do too much. I thought it would do more last week. So actually, I think it's only a gold. I think I did try it on other ones as well. So all symbols are gold. Okay, let's try a few things. So that one, US Tech. There's so many US Tech as well. US 500. Didn't win there. This was Dow, made 300 on Dow. You see these are all really small trades as well, so you can, it does compound into them. So pretty much just using the color change as well. So when it's turning green, it's positive. We just go in, and obviously sometimes markets just go up and down. There's nothing you can do about it. You just have to set your target, set a stop loss, which is the 500, and this is 0.1, so it's quite large. This, like I said, this is a demo account. but it should work exactly the same way. There's no real clever logic to it. It just gives buying and selling. All you have to do is identify the direction. So just imagine here, when this one turned green, you got it all the way up to here. That'd be quite an amazing result. Same again. You can capture all this whilst it's in green. I mean, this move would be a massive move. Only this morning, only the 2,000 we captured with just this bit here. Not much, but $2,000 just jumped straight back up again. So gone back in profit. But yeah, it's just a new tool which I saw that someone else had made actually, and it looked quite interesting. So we've made it ourselves. You see, it's jumped up again, $35 now in profit. So I'm going to continue with this. I'll show you as and when it trades, and just give you some updates on progress. It's jumping up now. Gold is moving swiftly up. Already, because it's compounding, each of these is adding to the profits, but also it does mean that it can go down quickly, very quickly, which is why you always set a stop loss in terms of monetary value. So at least that is what you can control. I've also got RSI here as well, so I'm liking it when it's down here. So when it turned green, it's still near the bottom. Once it gets up around this level, past the 70 line, then I'm going to be a bit wary and try to get out. But it's still moving up, 130 already, 150, 60. We're shooting up already. So you can see how powerful this is. So once it's ready, if you're a Patreon member, you will get this as part of your subscription. So I will give you more news about this fairly soon. Cheers, guys.